In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record restaurant sales in QuickBooks Online. This process will simplify your accounting by entering a single daily sales receipt that summarizes your restaurant sales for the day. It's a practical approach for anyone using a separate point of sale system or not invoicing customers individually. First, let's log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, we'll start by setting up a customer specifically for your daily sales. Head over to the Customer Hub. From there, click on Customers and then select the option to add a customer manually. You'll want to name this customer Daily Sales and save it. This will be used exclusively for your end-of-day sales receipt, keeping things organized and easy to track. Next, we need to set up some accounts to accurately record your daily sales. Look for the gear icon at the top of the page and click on it. Select Chart of Accounts and then click on New. We'll be creating several accounts here. A daily sales income account, which should be an income type account for tracking your sales. A clearing account, which is a bank type account that should maintain a zero balance and help manage daily sales data. And finally, an overage and underage expense account, which you'll use to track any drawer shortages. Proper account setup is crucial for precise income reporting. Now, let's talk items. Create items that reflect your restaurant's sales categories such as food sales, beverage sales, discounts, tips, sales tax, and gift cards. These categories will allow you to break down the daily total into understandable sections for better analysis and tracking. With your accounts and items set up, it's time to record the daily sales receipt. Hover over the plus icon on the left side of your QuickBooks Online interface and click on Sales Receipt. Here, you'll select the daily sales customer we set up earlier. Don't forget to enter the date for the sales you're logging. In this receipt, add the sales items along with their amounts from your point of sale daily report. Include everything: food sales, beverage sales, sales tax, tips, discounts, and any gift cards redeemed. For payments received, record credit card, cash, and checks as negative amounts. This step helps balance your receipt to a zero total, accurately reflecting the money collected by each payment type. Finally, it's time to deposit the sales amounts. Record separate deposits for cash, checks, and credit card payments into their respective bank or cash accounts. Matching these deposits with your bank statements will ensure everything is accurate and in order. Following these steps will give you a streamlined process for recording sales in QuickBooks Online, keeping your accounting neat and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.